Hello everyone and my dear VR travelers. I welcome everyone to the first wonder of the world, the Great Pyramids of Giza. I'll take you through pyramids in camel, so put on your goggles and enjoy the ride with me. If you're planning to visit the pyramids in future, don't forget to take this camel and horse ride within the pyramids, which will be the most enjoying ride of this place. And it's also very cheap too. So I highly recommend you guys to try it out.
Uh, okay, don't worry, we'll see. Now we are going to the Queen Pyramid, right? That one. Now I'm getting used to this camel. So how old is this camel? 9 year. Oh. Go a little bit slowly. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, can you just stop? Just
I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Check the links in the description for more 360 videos. And give us a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more 360 videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.